Hey guys, how y'all doing? I'm here to talk about the new weight distribution head that we're coming out with. So you saw it a little bit in the video. It's this piece right here. So basically, this is going to replace the existing weight distribution head that we're currently using. We're going to go strictly to this. So let me show you how it works. So first of all, you'll remove any ball mount or pintle that's in your hitch. We'll just place that back here in the back of the truck. We'll just slide this in at whatever height you'll need it for your trailer. Now you can literally hook up to any weight distribution system on the market. Any other weight distribution system will simply bolt right on here. So pretty much all of them, this is very similar design to pretty much what everything else is on the market. So that'll slide in place. Bolt in place. Now you can adjust your pitch however you need to for the trailer that you're towing, and you're good to go. You can use this system on our Boss Torsion Flex System or on our Mega Duty products. It'll work on either one. We do have a 2-inch or a 2.5. So the 2-inch will work on the 10,000 and the 16,000 pound capacity units. The 2.5 will work on the 21,000 pound capacity units. So I think that's all I have for today. If you have any questions, definitely don't be afraid to reach out to us. Sales@genyhitch.com.